Hey, this is Steve from DX Development. Hey, what happens when LoTW goes down? Well, I think I have an answer for you, at least something we're working on. DxQSO uses a new TQSL, which is called DX-TQSL, that I'd like to show you here today. So, let me kill the radio. So, if you have a log file like this, I'm using MacLogger, but any logging program will work here. And I upload them automatically after every QSO, but to demonstrate, I'm going to just upload to LoTW. And as you can see, LoTW is down. So how does that work? Well, we're using DX-TQSL, which is this product. And DX-TQSL has, this is the normal TQSL program modified. So as new versions of TQSL come out, so will we come out with new versions of DX-TQSL. But we have a fourth tab here on the main menu. Let's see. What I've got it set to is do not upload to LoTW. And I'm uploading everything to my test station in DxQSO. So as you can see, as I'm uploading, let's see, I'm going to open up my iPhone connection. And this is my DxQSO running on my mobile app. This is a full-blown native app for iPhone and Android. And my QSOs are synced. So as I create new ones, so I could take this QSO and maybe modify it. I'm sending it only to my demo station in DxQSO. So I don't know, I'll just call it N1 EZZ and update the info and log it. You could see that information's now been logged to DxQSO, and momentarily you will see it appear here. So this is the info now with N1 EZZ, and this is my full logbook data of all of my data that is in MacLogger. So I can restore all that data easily from DxQSO. I can also drill into the account. I don't know who this person is, but there it is. And there we go. So there you go. So uploading. Now I have the option with DxQSO to upload those QSOs later in the back end. So if I set this to true, any of the QSOs that I have that are in our DxQSO database will be sent to LoTW when LoTW is back up and running. And there's also a web interface to DxQSO here, which is admittedly primitive, but we're more focused on the logbook application vendors and the mobile app, but providing a true API to the mobile vendors. So we'll improve the web interface as well when we have a little bit of time. But you can drill down into the web as well. There it is. We're still in test, so any users who want to check it out, please, you're welcome to come and join. And it's free. The freemium was a freemium version and upcoming member version down the road. But check it out. You back up all of your TQSL call sign certificates. Let me just show you how you do that. Upload, restore. So I can restore from the cloud all of my call sign certificates and station information. And all of my QSOs are backed up. And if you are a member, you'll be able to back up your entire logbook as well. So that's all. Thanks.